Well, Wiener Fest is coming to College Station once again.
Hosted by the Aggieland Humane Society, this wonderful Wiener dog-filled day has a greater cause behind it. And our Sierra Shipley joins us live now from College Station. Sierra, what is this event supporting?
Yeah, Andrea, Joe, this is all to help the homeless pets find their forever home. Now, I'm joined here with Darby, the communications director of the Aggieland Humane Society. Now, tell me, Darby, why is this event so important?
Yes, it is so important because it brings together so many dogs and so many people. I think as of right now, we have 92 dogs registered for the races alone, maybe about 10 or 12 for the costume contest, but it just brings so many people together.